What's up, guys? Ooh, today is Wednesday. Um, man, I don't know fucking day again, but I know today's Wednesday. I think it's the 23rd. It's a Wednesday but anyways, so yeah, it's about 9:30 in the morning. I got a phone call from South Colonial for my truck, and guess what, guys? My truck is done. So that means no more rental. No more rental. So I'm gonna go to the gym, do my AM cardio, because on Wednesdays I usually do my cardio. It's my split day, where it's basically kind of a rest day, but I'll still do my cardio, my core, and helps break up the week, you know. So I'm gonna go get that shit done. I already talked to them, and they said that there was a problem with the brake, and they needed to put a new air system or something in the brake, something like that. But they said it was covered by GM, so that was good, because they test drove it. But they said it'll be done later this morning, so I'm gonna go get this cardio done, get this core in, and hopefully I can go straight there after and switch this rental out and go pick up the truck for you guys. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. So I'll see you at the gym. Just got to the gym. I don't really come to this gym much anymore, honestly. And my membership is probably up, so definitely gonna have to pay the membership. I only pay $25, but that's because I've been coming here for so long. So this gym is literally up the street, so definitely gonna have to pay it. And it's alright, because downstairs they got a little boxing gym. I like to hit the bag and shit on like Saturdays for extra cardio, so and to keep my hand skills tightened up, because I used to box for a couple years, and yeah, man, I'd like to stay on top of it and touch up. It just feels good. It's a good cardio workout, and it keeps you in shape, keeps you sharp too, you know. But yeah, we're gonna go in here and we're gonna do the elliptical and then some core. I'm gonna take y'all with me, so yeah, stay tuned. Yep, gotta pay it.
For a month?
Yeah. That's what I like about this Alright guys, just got done with the gym. Crack these damn windows, holy shit. Gosh, it's humid as fuck. So yeah, we just finished the workout, man. Did some cardio, did some core, you know, try to keep this core tight. Pretty good workout. So all in all, it did maybe like an hour and a half, and feels good. Gonna go home now, get showered up, and we're gonna go home, get showered up, and then hopefully go get the truck, get my baby, you know, and y'all gonna see with me firsthand how it runs, and yeah, see the excitement, because man, I can't wait. Damn. So yeah, I'll see you when we're on the way to get the truck, and we'll be back. So stay tuned. What's going on, everyone? So they finally called me back for my truck, right? And so it's, what time is it? Picked up the homie, you already know.
5:04.
All right, so it's 5:04. They finally called me. They called me at 9 in the night, like almost 10 o'clock in the morning. They said it was going to be done early morning. Now it's already the end of the day. So we got good news and bad news. So the good news is that they fixed the lifters and all that, because that was the initial problem, was the lifters. Okay, they said that's fixed. All right. The bad news is they said that there's gonna be a major issue with my transmission, and it's gonna need to get rebuilt in the future. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Like, yo, how do you feel about that, bro?
Y'all gotta get y'all manufacturing skills together.
Yo, this shit is crazy, man. I can't even believe that he hit me with that. So, you know what? I'm in my head, I'm like, yo, so what about, I said, why can't, I thought that's what I bring it there for. He said, because it was shifting hard. I said, that's why I bring it there, because it was driving messed up. That was the whole purpose. He said, yeah, but you bring it because of the lifters. I'm like, yeah, but part of the problem was it was driving like shit. So he said, no, it's not driving that bad, but when the engine light comes on, then you bring it in and the warranty should cover it, whatever he said, because you're not gonna want to rebuild a new transmission. I'm like, yo, might I tell you guys, right? Might I tell you guys, they've been offering to buy my truck for a minute now, right? For some reason, they want my truck so bad. And ever since then, these problems keep happening over and over. And it's like crazy. It's like, do these trucks have something in them where after a certain amount of miles, they automatically fuck up so that way they can get it back and resell them? I don't know, man. This shit is kind of sketchy to me. I'm like, you know something? On top of everything, I'm already sick of that truck, honestly. You know, I do it, and I did enjoy it. I do enjoy it, but I've had it for a little while now, like 3 years, and I get sick of shit quick, guys. I don't know if you know that about me, but I get sick of shit fast. So I'm like, if anything, what I'll do is I'll try to end up trading that thing in, because I have no other choice. You know, unless I keep it and rebuild the transmission, but for what?
For what?
Right?
For what?
There's no point.
For what?
You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna talk to him today and see what he's got to offer me if I was to trade it in. And if he could do me a good deal, then they can keep the fucking thing, because I really don't even care. These things come and go, guys. This is life, you know. These are material things. These things come and go, you know, and it don't mean shit to me, honestly.
Right.
So as long as I'm in a decent vehicle, I'm happy. I don't care. But yeah, we going there right now. We on the highway. I know y'all can see. We on the highway right now, and we're gonna go over there and see what he's got to say. And I'll see y'all over there, man. See what happens. All right. Peace. Oh shit, my phone's out. Yeah, so we pulling in right now. Pulling in the lot. Give these motherfuckers back their rental. I'm gonna go in here and see what these guys are talking about, man. I think that's my truck over there. I don't know if y'all can see. Sitting over there. Go see what these guys are talking about, and who knows, maybe try and see if they can work me a good deal. Trade it in. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah. I'm going here right now and talk to whoever the fuck, I forgot his name. Fucking Todd McLaren. Let's see if we can get this shit. Let's see. Back.
Look at that shit, man.
Okay, homie.
I'm watching you do a video.
Yeah, once.
Keep it easy on it. Keep it easy on it.
So, got the trash bags. Gonna take my belongings out of here and go into that trip. But I want to see if I can talk to somebody to trade my truck in right now as we speak. So, there she is. There she is. Everybody wants it. Everybody wants it. Damn, it's hot as hell in here. Holy shit. It is hot here. Damn. Woo. It's hot in this bitch. Woo. Damn. I see why everyone wants this truck. Shit looks like night and day compared to the other one. Damn, everything looks crazy. I'm so used to looking at the regular shit now. Fucking sit back. Pull this shit in front so G can jump in and chill while I talk to these guys about trying to potentially trade this shit in, man.
Sauce?
Huh?
The sauce? Chick-fil-A sauce?
Yeah, fuck it. We're gonna take that too.
That's what I'm thinking, bro. I'm like, yo, hold on.
That's good shit. Yeah. Can't forget the Chick-fil-A sauce. We need that. We got a whole bunch of that shit. When we went, the dude gave it to us for free. Just a whole bunch of filet sauce. Back this shit in. So man, can sit in here and chill in the AC while I talk to them about the shit that's going on. Yeah, we need that. You got all the sauces?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put it in here.
Know your bag?
Yep.
Good guy. Good guy.
Got it? Yeah. All them sauces. We need it all.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
That's the guy coming out to talk to me about my truck.
jail.
Here, yeah.
Oh, he said he was.
Yeah. All right, so we back in the Batmobile, aka the Twatmobile. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I talked to the guy here, and he basically said that we went over some trucks and shit, appraisal and all that stuff, and basically all the trucks they want now is like over $50,000 for a decent one. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I'm not spending 50 bands right now on another vehicle. Like, I'll wait till this shit. Like I told him, actually, I said I'm gonna go do some research tonight and see what they got like elsewhere. See if I can see. Like, it's hard to find something compatible to a Denali pickup. Like, it's hard, and it really is. And it's fully loaded and stuff. I got a really good deal on this, so it's gonna be tough to find something that's next to this within the same price or ballpark figure of what I spent, you know, because I'm not trying to break the bank neither. See, that was an alley-oop. And it is what it is, man. We gotta search.
Mm-hmm.
So on that note, we can take this shit down. And we about to get pushing, buddy. You know? I feel like I'm tall as fuck for this truck. Damn. Yeah, we out of here. This truck is getting details immediately and expediently. You know what I'm saying? So we just finished doing the thumbnail, guys. Came to the parking lot real quick to do this thumbnail, and yeah, man, this is gonna wrap up today. We've been on the go all day long, you know what I'm saying? Pick up the homie last second, but yeah, it's just confusing to me that how they can say one thing and then there's another problem. It's like it never ends. So with that being said, just, you know, we just gotta keep grinding and staying positive, and you know, whatever happens. If we're gonna upgrade, then we upgrade. It don't matter to me, you know, but I'm definitely not gonna downgrade, that's for sure. Right?
Your whip, your life, your woman, everything upgrade.
Everything. So with that in mind, appreciate everyone for watching. Stay blessed and stay dangerous. Appreciate y'all. And let me know if you want more vlogs like this, or if you want like the other videos that I've been doing, like, you know, reviewing the proteins and all that stuff, the supplements. Or, you know, I could take you guys to the gym with me and show you how a gym session goes.
Whoa.
Either or. I have it in some of my videos, so either or, we can do it.
Take them on a new retreat.
That's it, man. Show them what we really about.
Gym vlog.
We do a gym vlog. But yeah, appreciate y'all. Comment, share, subscribe, all that good shit. You know, me and my homie out here, we getting it, man. We grinding. We grind every day.
Like that. Y'all heard it. Y'all usually hear me talk a lot, but the homie is in his own element now, and I love it. So make sure y'all subscribe. Give me a follow at _ENT24.
Yep, you got the plug. So with that being said, I'm out once again. Buy the merch at www.tkl-apparel.com. New drop coming soon. Stay tuned. Peace.